everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 615 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited. I'm trying out the Focallure Sunrise Impressionism Eyeshadow Palette. So you probably have noticed that I've been trying out a lot of Focallure products on my channel recently. This is the last product that I have at the moment to try out. I definitely want to try out so much more from Focallure. I want to try out every single product that they have because all of the products that I've already tried out have been amazing. It's such an affordable brand, but such high quality products. Focallure did send me this product for free. I just want to disclaim that, but this is not a sponsored video. I don't have an affiliate code with them, so this review is going to be completely honest, all of my own thoughts, just like every single one of my review videos. I can't wait to just get into this. I feel like it's been a little while since I've tried out a larger eyeshadow palette, like a full-size eyeshadow palette. I feel like it's been a really long time since I tried one of these out on my channel, and I'm so excited to play around with it. A box within a box. Comes so beautifully packaged. I love the packaging on all of the Focallure products, but so the moment I've been waiting for. Oh my gosh. It is so my taste and my style. It's got so much sparkle and pinky, nude, purple tones. Oh my gosh. And you get a mirror. There are 16 pans in here. But so, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to start swatching these. So I like that it comes protected. Ooh. I had this little covering over this one shade, and this looks like a creamy nude shade. When I was reading about this online, I didn't see anything about a cream nude shade, but that's great. I like that it has the names of each shade under them. Okay, so I'm just going to start swatching, but I will, ooh, that's a really soft, nice texture to this powder here. Ooh, I didn't know if that light pink would show up with much pigment. Oh, you can't really see it much on camera because of my skin tone, but that actually looks really pretty with great pigment. But so this, is this like a pressed glitter pigment? Yes, ooh, shiny. Oh, wow. That is so sparkly and beautiful, but still so smooth and pigmented. Okay, I am going to have so much fun with this palette. But I keep trying to say that this palette normally retails for $25.50, but it's on sale on their website. I feel like every single product is always on sale, but it's only $16.99 on their website right now. Okay, I am absolutely blown away by these swatches. I love that you get a mix of nudes, sparkles. Wow. I don't know if I've honestly ever swatched such great eyeshadows. But so I also have a coupon code with Focallure. If you use the code Christy, my name, you get 25% off your purchase on the Focallure website. So these colors are inspired by the colors in the sunset, which to me is just one of the most beautiful things in the world. I just love seeing sunsets. Holy moly. Okay, check out. This one is just pure glitter. Oh my gosh. I love every single shade. All of these look so good together. Ooh. Like this one has the slightest bit of shimmer. This one is full glitter. Wow. You get two just glitters. So pretty. You get a pink one and a reddish one. Wow. Did that one show up? Oh my gosh. Okay. There is not a single shade that swatched badly. And I didn't even, put in my best, most intense effort, like really trying to pick up the product, really doing my best to like get a smooth swatch. Like I was just kind of tapping my finger and swatching it, and it just is so pigmented and smooth and even color. Wow, okay. So I did go in order on the swatches, but seriously, every single shade is amazing. Now I didn't try out the cream shade yet. So, yeah. It's just like a nude cream. I wonder if that's supposed to be an eyeshadow primer or a glitter primer. I'm just kind of surprised that the website doesn't tell me what that shade is specifically supposed to be used for. And I'm absolutely going to try out that cream shade, but for this video's purpose, I want to be able to give this palette and these shadows the best chance of performing their best. So I'm just going to go in with my Holy Grail eyeshadow primer. This is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And I'm just going to prime my eyes with this because this is what I always use. If you want to see my dedicated review on this primer, I will have that video linked down below. But I always need to use an eyeshadow primer because I have lots of creases in my eyelids. And I love that this has a big mirror. That's what I'm going to use. So, since I just set my eyes with the primer, sometimes I prefer more of like a shade like this one, but in a powder formula to set the eyelids. But I'm just gonna go in with this light pink here called Pure Nude. There's a little bit of kickback there, but I'm just going all over the eyelid with this light pink to set the primer. I'm not even picking up much product at all. You can't even really tell that there's any eyeshadow on my eye right now, but okay. For the crease shade, I'm gonna go in with this matte brown called Give Me Mocha. Oh yes. Already blending out so easily. It's showing up with the perfect amount of pigment for my crease shade. I wanted to go in with a light hand, and good thing I did because we already know how pigmented these eyeshadows are just from those swatches. But for my crease shade, I don't want it to be too intense. I just want a nice transition shade that's going to add that dimension to my eye shape. You can see the difference there, why I always like to put like a brownish crease shade because of the way my eyes are a little bit hooded. It helps give dimension. I don't even know what kind of look I want to go for. There are so many beautiful possibilities with a product like this. I love when I have the swatches, so then I can just kind of look at the swatches and decide what I want to do. It's like I could go in like a peachy orange direction, or more of a purple, a burgundy. So let's see, I'm just going to start out and deepen up the outer corner with a deeper shade. So I'm going to go in with this pretty magenta shade. It's called Punch Pink, And it kind of looks like the mix between a burgundy and a magenta. And this is definitely going to be a colorful look today. So I'm just taking tiny bits of this shade and building up the color because it does have a lot of pigment, but I want to apply it in more of a controlled manner. So I'm just picking up a little bit at a time. And there are just so many beautiful sparkles in this that I'm going to do a pretty shimmery look. So let's see, next I want to do this shimmery shade called Terracotta, and I'm going to apply that with my finger because it is a shimmery shade. I'm going to apply that to the center of the eyelid. Oh my gosh, I love this color. This is actually a great transition shade between that magenta shade and the crease shade because this is kind of a gold shimmer on top of a magenta shade. It's actually very unique but so pretty and really ties in the color scheme nicely, but it's applying so easily and beautifully just with my finger. And then this shade, this shimmery pink shade, is catching my eye. I need to use that. And that's the shade called Pinwheel Galaxy. And once again, I'm just going to use my finger to pick this up and apply this to the inner corner. Oh my gosh. Such a sparkly look, but such an easy way to apply sparkle and glitter. Let me just blend. I'm going to pick up a little bit more of that crease shade and blend that out. This is such a fun and pretty pink sparkly look. Oh my gosh, I love it. And you know, for the fun of it, I'm just going to take a little bit of this Lavender Fields purple shade and run that along my lower lash line as a fun purple eyeliner. I'm really surprised I don't have a palette like this in my collection yet, since this is so my taste, my favorite colors, but I'm so excited to have this in my collection now. This is just so fun. I'm obsessed with all of these colors. I'm obsessed with these formulas. And I just did a sparkly, colorful look because how can I resist with a palette like this? But you could do so many different moods from this palette. You could do an easy, everyday, very natural look. You can do funky, glittery, bold looks. You can be somewhere in between. And I just love that any shade that you're going to reach for in this palette is going to be awesome. I seriously think this is one of the best, if not the best quality eyeshadow palette I've ever used. And it's only $17 for 16 shades. Well, $17, but then you can also use that 25% off coupon code. So it's so affordable, but you would never be able to guess this low price point with how amazing these eyeshadows are. Definitely the most beautiful swatches. I don't even want to wash my arm. They're just so pretty. I want to look at them all the time. Seriously mesmerizing with how beautiful they are. Oh wow. If you have not tried out the Focallure eyeshadows, you definitely should. And if you have tried out any of their eyeshadows or eyeshadow palettes, I would love to know your thoughts on them in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.